Hello, Jeremiah. Happy Friday. We are working on math right now. I see something I need to take down off the board. Give me just a minute here. All right. I need to tell you guys something, and I'm going to tell you as a whole class. Brianna, I don't feel like you're paying as good attention as you could. Turn around. Scoot your chair up. Put your knees under your desk. Scoot all the way up. No, not your desk, your chair. Very good. Please don't talk. Okay, so what I need to tell you is we're going to add a part to our work, our morning work. Remember in the morning when we have that time where I ask you to write your spelling words and your Bible verse? Okay, I'm going to add something to that. Miss Pat is running off some things for me, and their touch point, their numbers for touch point math. Brianna, put that down, honey, okay? Don't say it. Just put it down for me. It's all good, okay? And the reason that we're actually going to spend the entire week next week going over touch point math until you memorize it. And so we are going to take a test over it, actually, because touch point math is the absolute quickest and most dignified way to count if you are still working on adding numbers together and subtracting. When you use touch point math, you're not using your fingers to count, all right? You're doing it in your head, but you're also not having to memorize it. So this is an excellent alternative. It looks better than writing stripe marks and counting on your fingers, which is what we're trying to move away from here. So the next thing we're working on is touch point math. We touched on it a little bit last year. Miss Bobby made us sheets, so you have touch point math sheets. But today, or starting to Monday, in that time that you do your morning work, your Bible verse, your spelling words, I'm going to put one of these in here too. I'm going to do it. You can use your chart for a while, and then I'm going to have you start to memorize it. So I'm going to pull up today's sheet, and I'm going to show you what I mean. All right. Find it here. Okay. I'll do it on this page. Where's my pen? There it is. Okay. I know in my head, without even getting my touch point math sheet out, that the number 8 on the touch point sheet has how many spots on it? Kylie?
4.
Nope. The number 8 has 8. Preston, the number 1 has how many spots on it? What is the number? Get out your touch point math sheet.
0.
Preston, get out your math sheet. Pull your touch point sheet. Who's got it? The one that Miss Bobby made for us. Yes. How many spots does the number 1 have on it?
1.
Kylie, how many spots does the number 2 have on it?
3.
What number is it? Look on your sheet, Kylie.
Hold on, I gotta get my touch point.
Preston, how many spots does the number 2 have?
2.
Jamia, how many spots does the number 3 have?
3.
3. Rylan, how many spots does the number 4? How many spots does the number 4 have, Rylan?
4.
She caught on. Jeff, how many spots does the number 5 have? KJ, how many spots does the number 6 have? Brianna, how many spots does the number 7 have?
7.
Hunter, how many spots does the number 8 have? Hunter. Hunter, wake up, darling. You can't sleep in school. I love you. You can't sleep in school, though. Preston, how many spots does the number 8 have?
4.
The number 8. The clue is in the name. 8. Kylie, how many spots does the number 9 have?
9.
Okay, listen so that you understand this. I'm going to keep going around the room till you get it. This is so important. Jamia, how many spots does the number 0 have?
0.
Rylan, how about the number 1?
1.
Jeff, how many the number 2?
2.
KJ, number 3.
3.
Hunter, number 4.
4.
Brianna, number 5. Preston, number 6.
6.
Kylie, number 7.
7.
Jamia, number 8.
8.
Rylan, number 9.
9.
Jeff, number 0.
0.
KJ, number 1.
1.
Brianna, number 2.
2.
Hunter, number 3.
3.
Preston, number 4.
4.
Kylie, number 5.
5.
Jamia, number 6.
2.
Jeff, number 7.
7.
Rylan, number 8.
8.
KJ, number 9. Okay, you're starting to get it. The whole premise behind Touchpoint Math is so that you know you can find spaces on these numbers to count those spots. You have to memorize them. But if you do, when you get these memorized, you can count your numbers without ever pulling out your fingerlaters and without ever writing strike marks or without ever writing circles. The days of your writing circles and crossing them out are gone. I'm going to teach you how to do this without ever writing strike marks, without ever writing circles, without ever using your fingerlaters, okay? This is our focus for the next couple of weeks, all right? So let me show you how this can be used to do this. Remember, we're talking about math, adding, and you're trying to get faster and better. You're trying to use better tools, right? Okay. You can use a rock to build a house. You can use a hammer to build a house, or you can use an electric hammer to build a house, okay? I'm giving you a sharp, fancy, brand new tool. This is the most efficient tool yet, okay? So, and I want you to watch as I do this, how fast I can add based on my numbers here.
Already.
Just watch. If you look on my number 4s here, how many touch points does a number 4 have? Oh, it's an easy answer. We just did it. 4. Yes. Shouldn't even hesitate on that one. Okay. The number 4 has 4. But look at my number 4s that I put on the board. The touch points are in exactly the same place on every time I write the number 4. See them? See how they're in exactly the same place? Look right here. Okay. Now look down at this 4 here. Am I going to write a touch point right in the center? No, because that's not where it goes. It goes at the top and it goes on every point. See it? Okay. The same place every time. So if I can memorize where those spots are without even having those spots out there, Brianna, stop. If I can memorize where those spots are, I can count without anybody knowing that I'm counting. All right? And that's the whole thing behind touch points. So 6, let me make this really big. Okay, so I can illustrate my point here. Yeah, it's okay. Ah, too big.
Too much.
No, I lost it. Okay.
There you go.
All right. And remember 6 was the double dots. You look on your paper. Yeah, your touch point. Remember, these are called double dots. All right. Now, Brianna, what is 4 plus 4 plus 4? Quick.
12.
Good. She's got that in her head.
Wow.
All right. She knows it in her head. That's the absolute easiest. That's the most efficient of all. That's the best tool of all. But if you don't have it, let me give you the faster hammer. Okay. Watch. Watch what I do and listen to me. Watch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did I get the same answer as Brianna?
No.
Yes, I did. And I got it fast.
The shelf came down.
Okay. Brianna had it faster because she has it memorized. Excuse me, please. Now, let's try it again. KJ, what is 6 plus 1 plus 1? 8. He got that in about 10 seconds. Watch, count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got it faster. That we use touch points, right? This is what I'm trying to illustrate to you. Both of you girls, put your hands down and wait. Please put your hands down. Don't just talk if I say, okay? And yes, you made a valid point, but don't just talk, all right? Now counting, there's another one up here, so we can do that one too. So let's add that one in there. Ready? We're gonna count them again. Here we go. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how fast that was? Great. And there's our answer. All right, let's do it with a hard one. How many touch points does the number 7 have, Hunter? Hunter. Yes. And here they are. There's one here. Look on your touch point sheet. This is a double dot. This is a double dot. And this is a double dot. Okay? Look at the number 6. Where are my double dots? Somebody help me. Kylie, is it here?
Yes. No.
No?
It's right
Is it?
here.
It's at the top. There's one.
And here's the bottom.
And here's the next one. And here's the last one. Looks exactly like my other 6. Yeah. Okay? And how many dots are on the number 1, Jamia? 1. Okay, and let's go ahead and do my 3s over here.
Yeah.
There's 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Are these double dots?
Yes.
On the number 3? No, they're not. There's 1 on my 2. And 1 on my 2. All right, you ready? We're going to count it fast. Now, do we need to count the 7 since it's our first number?
Yes.
No, we already have that in our head. That's the number that goes in our head.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? So say the first number. 7,
7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How come I only heard Kylie?
Oh, I thought Kylie was the Buddhist.
Yeah. Let's do it again. Say the first number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Try it again. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and carry my 1. Ready?
Yes.
If we say the first number, we got it. What is the first number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. See how fast that went? Did you see how fast that went? That's why we do these. Now, let me move over to this next one. There it is. Okay. This is step 2. We're going to practice these touch points till your little fingers get tired. So much so that in time, Brianna, stop. Stop. In time, you won't even need the touch points. I'll know, you'll know looking at that 8 that you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? You'll just know it. Let's try it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. Did you see it? Okay. And let's try over here. I'm going to go with my big numbers to my small numbers. That was another strategy we practiced this week. Please don't talk. Please don't talk. We have 4. Say it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So you see how fast that was? See how that makes your math faster? Okay. We're going to do one more and then we're going to go ahead and do this page for today. There it is. All right. Which number in my ones place over here should I put in my head because it's the biggest number? What order should I go in? I should start with the what, Brianna?
951.
Yes, ma'am. 951, and that's perfect. Look on your touch point sheets right now. And look where your number 5s are, where your 5 dots are. You see them right there? Okay. Do I need to put any on my 9?
No.
Nope, because that's the number I'm putting in my head.
Yep.
And there you go. There's the one on my 1. Ready? We're going to count it and see how fast we can count it. Ready? Watch as I point. Go. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See how fast that was? And we already know that 2 is going to have how many spots?
4.
2. 2 has 2. 1 has 1. 3 has 3. 5 has 5. Right? And how many does 1 have?
1.
Kylie? 1. That's right. All right. Now let's see how fast we can do this. We're going to go big numbers to small numbers again. 2, then 2, then 2, then 1. All right, Brianna. Shh. Brianna, please stop talking. Jeff, don't talk. KJ, stop moving. Brianna, put that thing away. Now. No, not there. In your desk. Okay? Here we go. Ready? We start with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
You got to follow the touch points, KJ. All right? Now, that's your practice. That's your exercise. That's your work. Okay, we're going to do this every day. Take the folders down. You're getting distracted. Take the folders down. Take the folders down. Take the folders down. Brianna, now. Kylie, now. You're losing your focus. Let me bring this down a little bit. Brianna, stop making noise. All right. And today's paper is number 88. This is on the top of this. I want you to put, not really a test. Well, I don't think we're going to test on these, but it is it's definitely an assignment. So I need you to do your 3 add-ins. Right now you can use whatever strategy works. If you need to draw strike marks, great. If you need to draw circles, great. If you need to use your fingerlators, great. If you can do it on touch points, even better. If you have it in your head, that's the best of all. Okay? Use the most efficient tool that you have to do problem 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's drop down. Just like yesterday, we're making new problems. Excuse me. So number 5, I need to add 29. What goes down here?
30.
30. And what goes down here?
21.
Try again, Kylie.
12.
It's 12. Okay? Then you're going to add those up and give me the answer. Don't forget Jamia's grid, because if you forget it, you could lose your places. All right? Down here, same thing, only they did the grid for you. What number goes up here? Anybody? Kylie?
40.
You're close. Read it again.
14.
14. KJ, what number goes in the middle?
60.
Yes, sir. Very good. Hunter, can you tell me what one goes at the bottom?
One goes on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. I have 3 numbers here. 14, 16. What's the number that goes here?
25.
Yes, sir. Exactly right.
I just see 25 at the bottom.
Very good.
16 and 14.
Perfect. And that's how you set up a problem. Okay. Let me give you the things you need to do the bottom one. Okay. This is just like yesterday's work. I'm going to give you the time on this clock and you put the hands in. And here I'm going to give you the hands and you put the time in. Get it?
Got it.
All right. So it said Deborah started making a poster for Vacation Bible School at 6:30. Okay, so I'm going to write 6:30 right here. And your job is to draw the hands on the clock. On this one, I'm going to put 2 hours later. What is 2 hours later from 6:30? 6:30, it's okay. 6:30, what's 2 hours later? Jeff, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. So now you, oh, I'll put the hands on. And did we do this paper yesterday? It looks like we did.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, we did this yesterday.
Some of you might have and some of you didn't. That's probably it. Or we didn't finish with it.
Yeah, we did not
I think that was it. We didn't finish with it.
President,
Right.
Austin,
You and KJ.
Mm-hmm.
You.
KJ me.
All right. So I understand what I am to do, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we did 2 things today, just to recap. We did a drill on touch point. We studied touch point. Then we are working on our work page today. We're finishing it up today. All right, everybody got it?
Got it.
Good, go. KJ, we'll see you later for handwriting.
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah, Why do I keep saying? I think I keep saying it because he's sitting right in front of me. Jeremiah. Either that or I'm going to have to change your name to KJ. KJ. Jeremiah's had a lot of names over the years. He was Steve, and he was Jerry. Jerry, remember when he'd write Jerry on this paper? He was Jerry for a while. King. Oh yeah, we forgot about King, darling.
And Josh.
He's never been Josh.
I think I saw the Joey.
I think that was it. Well, and now we're going to call him KJ too.
Nickname. No.
Sometimes he's Bob, sometimes you're all Bob. But I forget.
No, that's me. My Bob.
Everybody's Bob.
So Preston the Bob.
Either way, point blank, we love you. We love you, Jeremiah. We'll talk to you later.
She.
Say bye, Jeremiah.
Bye.